What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. Man, life has been super crazy, super hectic lately. I wish I could talk about everything, but I'm waiting for everything to get settled before I spill some beans. But before we get into this vlog, we're gonna start off and say congratulations, Mr. Davidgotkicks. David got a brand new car. I'm excited for him. It's been a minute since he's been like driving his car. He's been taking his girlfriend's car around. You know, he sold the Genesis and now he has a brand new daily, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out in a little bit, but before we go over to his place, I'm gonna go ahead and grab him, you know, a little I don't even know what to call it. It's like when you have a new house, it's like a housewarming gift, but for a car. So this is like, what, a car warming gift? That's what we're on the hunt for Mr. Davidgotkicks. So I'm headed over to AutoZone real quick. It's hot today, 81 degrees. My Texas people will beg to differ, I know, but it's hot out here. We're gonna get today started. Good vibes only. You guys have been killing it on the website, so thank you so much. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I did drop my very own sneaker cleaner. Everything is made by me, bottled by me, labeled by me, shipped by me, everything, bro. I touch every single process, which I absolutely love. So that's my thing. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, shopsotopia.com. that is the website where you can shop for sneakers, sneaker cleaner, all that good stuff. I had to throw that quick little plug in there, but yes sir, we're gonna get today started. Let's get it and let's go. Guys, my baby has 90,000 miles on it now. This is a 2004 Lexus LS 430. This thing is getting a little old, but very low miles for this specific model. I see a lot of them hitting like over 200,000, but man, it's been a minute since I've had a car that had over 100,000 miles, and man, this car is a dream. It's riding real nice, aging like fine wine. Look at the wood grain. Oh my god. If anyone is looking for recommendations for a first vehicle, or they want to spend around like, you know, 10K for a solid car, this is it. I also added the little bubble knob right there. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, bruh, why? But hey, the first Lexus I had the bubble knob, and I was like, you know what? We're throwing the bubble knob back in this thing. All right, people, we are at the famous AutoZone. Let's see what we can find. Let's see, if I just got a new car, what would I want? Definitely a new set of wheels. Should I start them off with some 14s, or should we do 15s? We got options. Oh, we even got 17s. I'll come back to this. Perfect. Quick exhaust upgrade already. I'm setting David up for the best mod possible. Ooh, a vent. Oh, they only have one. Or is this two? Is it two or one? Either way, we're getting this. To top it off, let's go with the skull decal. All right, guys, all jokes aside, I got David some cool stuff here. So first things first, I got him some leather 3-in-1 spray, because the boy has leather seats. You gotta keep those looking clean. We also got some Meguiar's quick wax with that hydrophobic polymer technology. Oh my god. So yeah, I use this all the time. This is perfect for keeping the outside looking fresh. And then we also got another Meguiar's product, not sponsored, but this is the natural shine protectant for the dash, all those like interior little door trim pieces and all that good stuff. So we just got on these 3 bottles, little car warming gift. There you go, David. Guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is clean. Super duper clean. Something about the classics, you know, that super long body, that looks so good. Look at that. Dang. And with the plaque on the back. Okay. Guys, I had to get boba by myself because David canceled on me. Can't believe it. I really thought, you know, I got all those gifts. I thought I was gonna see him, and he said, you know what, I'm busy, so. I just got milk tea because I'm kind of sad, but that's what I do when I'm sad. Wait.
I'm over here, silly.
Wait, what?
Dude, put your mask on.
What do you mean?
Not cool. Are you vaxxed?
I am.
Are you vaxxed, bro?
I am.
Show me your card. I don't believe you. You know you have to carry that around with you, right?
What is going on, guys? We're out here with Davidgotkics.
What's up?
Dude, look at this shirt.
You like it?
Do they have names?
This is Jeffrey.
Jeffrey?
And this is Santiago.
Oh, snap. I like your shirt, dude.
Thank you.
First of all, I wanted to say congratulations on everything.
Thank you.
We're here today to celebrate your brand new vehicle. Your YouTube has seen it, but mine hasn't. And I just wanted to do this with you right here, right now.
What am I supposed to do? You just... It's too bad I didn't bring it though, because you picked me up.
Shout out to Sago for the shorts. Oh my God, look at my tan. Bro. All right.
Dude, that's so funny.
Why?
That's like the car that I wanted.
I thought you wanted the Prius at first.
I did want the Prius at first, and then I realized that one is pretty much like a more fancier Prius.
So why'd you get the Prius?
I didn't get the Prius. We brought your car. Did you Wouldn't it be crazy though if like they're like unlocked?
This is stupid. This is so
wait.
cheesy porno.
Cut that last part. Let's go see. Nah, that's pretty tight though, dude. These were kind of hard to...
This is all one clip. This is all one clip.
These are kind of hard to find, dude, and they were discontinued. I wonder whose it is. Do you know who it is?
I heard it's the owner of bayrestorations.com, the CEO that's standing right.
Dude, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. The doors are locked.
Dude, oh my God. Wait, are the keys inside?
Wait. Let me check.
Dude, this feels so wrong.
Oh!
Introducing David's brand new Lexus.
Actually, it's used. But it's
It's brand new to you.
to me.
Yes. Brand new Lexus CT200H.
You know
F Sport.
You know what the H stands for?
What does the H stand for?
Davidgotkick.com. like cut this, but like, can you put like a boba in my mouth?
You want me to
Feed it to me.
You want me to feed you a boba? With the milk?
No
milk?
no milk. Just the boba, just the pearl.
We need to get out of here. People are looking at us.
Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Not only did we get a new car, but we got a new warehouse. You see they're filling in the letters for hypebeastrus.com right now. The tree's kind of blocking the Hypebeast, so it's coming soon.
I was talking about the big moves at the beginning of the vlog. I didn't think that David was going to spill the beans this soon. I thought it was going to be in a future vlog, but yes. He just got this brand new warehouse. Wait.
Thumbnail?
Hey! This is 40,000 square feet right here in El Camino.
Yeah.
Dude.
I'll give you all the information whenever like we open up and stuff, but
This guy gave me a crock warming gift. So I gave him the car warming gift. He gave me a crock warming gift. Look at this. All brand new charms. We got the big Buddha there. We got Murakami. And we got this custom Croc Life one that David made himself.
I did.
Dude. And it's like we're meant to be, dude.
Alright, that's gonna end this day's vlog.
That's gonna end today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you guys for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and we're out. Peace.
I thought you just ended the vlog. Why are you still recording? Like, I know we always joke about kissing, but sometimes I actually think about it. No, I don't. I do. Dude, they put bits in here. I didn't ask for bits.
What? What kind of bits?
I mean, they're like,
Crystals?
I don't know what they are actually. I'm just drinking them.
Is it good? Make sure you guys are subscribed to Davidgotkicks on his vlog channel. He's been posting a lot. Main channel. It's coming soon. Need some work. But vlog channel.
Like the credit. You know when you're looking at your credit, it's like needs some work.
Oh, look at this, guys. This is the interior. David is already at work making these slight adjustments to the interior already. Look at that diamond knob. Was that from Raf?
Yeah, it was.
Shout out to Rafiki. Look at this. Look at this interior, man.
We gotta get the Tiffany vibes back, man.
You got the Tiffany shoes.
I had to make it a little more homey.
Tiffany knob. Look at this. Leather seats. Leather seat. Oh my gosh. So I think since this is a hybrid, we're gonna try doing a vlog series where we travel to every single state in 30 days. Let's go.
I'm down.
Dude, rev at him. Rev at him, dude.
I am. Wait, did you tell him about the suspension or no?
That you got air?
Yeah.
You got the aim gain kit?
The only airbags in this car is...
Right here?
Right here?
Right here inside? Right here? Yeah. We're on the way to Best Buy right now. I gotta pick up some stuff real quick. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm finally upgrading my mouse. I've been using the freaking library, school library mouse, and now I get a freaking magic mouse. Oh, it feels good. Perfect weight. Yo, those are the flames that we saw at AutoZone. It's a sign. Making a quick stop at Goodwill. Let's see what we can find here. Guys, I've been on the hunt for an original Xbox. Dude, what are you doing?
What?
I've been on the hunt for an original Xbox, a Dreamcast, and something else. Those are systems I can think of right off the top of my head. But if you guys have any leads on that, let me know. I kind of miss playing those like old games that I used to play as a kid, so I want to relive it. If you guys have any info on that stuff, let me know. But we're gonna check out this Goodwill. Maybe we can find a system. I don't know. Okay, we got a Fugazi LV bag. Guys, you just go straight to the cases. That's where you find the decent stuff. David.
What? Oh, hell.
It's calling your name.
Thor's hammer.
What's inside those boxes? We got gaming keyboard. Okay. We got a knife set. Okay.
PayPal mobile card reader.
Ooh, they give those for free though.
Really?
Yeah.
Where at?
PayPal, you just order it.
Oh, I didn't know that. Random knife.
All right. No systems in here.
I think the coolest thing is this.
Is that to cut meat?
I don't know. This is the coolest thing, so you don't slip in the shower.
Oh my gosh. You ready?
No
Oh, come on. Dang it.
That's cool though.
You find the most random stuff at Goodwill. Look at the... What? I kind of want to kiss it, dude.
That's kind of cool, but nobody knows what it is.
Dude, what is all... Look at these things. For the kitchen?
For the crib.
Get this for the crib. Ooh, an elliptical? Let's go. Some golf clubs? Okay. Happy Gilmore vibes. Pogo sticks. Who remembers these?
What the hell? $5.19.
It seems like it's brand new too. Real quick fuse box. Just need to add the switches. $5? Steal deal or not? What is this? What? What is this? Probably shouldn't be touching this. Or any of this stuff. Yo guys, my bad. I just realized I didn't give you guys a full look of David's car. So we're just gonna do a little quick walk around. It's a black 2015 Lexus CT 200H. So it's a hybrid. How many miles per gallon?
Huh?
Sorry, how many miles per gallon?
How rude. 40 to 43.
43. Wow. Wow. 4 doors. Look at this. This is basically the Lexus version of a Prius.
It literally is a Prius.
It's a Prius.
It sits on a Prius V chassis, I think.
But it doesn't look like a Prius.
Nope. It's a fancy Prius.
Look at this, look at this, look at this. And then in the next video, it's gonna look completely different. Because...
We're getting it wrapped, guys. Just
oh,
not yet.
I just wonder what color it's gonna be.
Take a wild guess.
We'll see. Can we get a thumbnail? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Thumbnail. Boom. Very nice, David. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, now we have a car for LA trips. Ooh.
What? Yeah, sure.
Oh, and there's a sunroof. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
I like these because in my Genesis, it didn't have the one where it goes up. Like,
Just cracks
it
it?
goes up, yeah.
You didn't have that in the Genesis?
No, it only went forward and back.
Ah, this is really weird to me. Like this little mouse thing. Look at this. It's like I'm playing Wii. Look. Oh gosh, it's hard for you guys to see that. You're supposed to move this when you're driving, so it's like you're playing a game while you're driving. Not safe. So Butters is 3 today. We got her freaking what? 2.5 years ago, and you're 21 today in dog years. We got her little happy birthday cake. And we're gonna take this outside before she gets it dirty.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternup, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.
Turns out Dustin is a pro Tiger Woods. Look at this guy. This is first time golfing. Look at this guy.
Oh my god.
You're so good, Dustin.
Dude, I'm a pro.
Dude.
That's really good. You know, this is just a hobby. I do this shit for fun.
Stupid.
It's light work.
Gotta get the stretches in. Dang. Barry Bonds. We got these many balls and we gotta knock it out in less than an hour. I told Dustin that if he makes a noise when he hits it, it's gonna go further. Oh, you see the power on that one? You see the power on that? One more. Come on. One more. Like more high pitch though.
Oh, I don't think I can do that.
Hey, yeah.
See how
That was good.
it doesn't go nowhere. Do the Happy Gilmore one.
Oh, hell no. I'm scooting back.
Happy Gilmore one?
No. Oh!
That's good.
That was pretty good for a Happy Gilmore.
Is that what it's actually called? Baby.
It's the movie. It's your turn.
Dustin is up.
There's also this too, but this is hella heavy.
Here we
This
go.
one feels good.
First time on a hybrid. Sheesh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Still there.
Colin messed up. Colin didn't make a sound. None of you made a sound. Oh, you hit it. You're supposed to make it.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Holy sh! Don't do this. This is how you get kicked out real quick. Jesus. Don't do this. Don't do this, guys. All right, to end the night, we're at After's. You got to get that Cookie Monster. It's that blue cookies and cream goodness. I think we're out here in Pasadena. I don't even know, guys. I think there's one in Hollywood as well. But yeah, we're going to end the vlog. You tired?
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted too. All right, Colin, close out the video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn those post notifications on and turn Dustin on and Colin on. And we're out. Peace.